AWS Well-Architected Framework. Pillar 2. Security. It is the ability to protect information, systems, and assets, while delivering business value, through risk assessments and mitigation strategies. Design principles for security. Implement a strong identity foundation. Implement the principle of least privilege, and enforce separation of duties, with appropriate authorization for each interaction with your AWS resources. Centralize privilege management, and reduce or even eliminate reliance on long-term credentials. Enable traceability. Monitor, alert, and audit actions and changes to your environment in real time. Integrate logs and metrics with systems to automatically respond and take action. Apply security at all layers. Rather than just focusing on protection of a single outer layer, apply a defense in-depth approach with other security controls. Apply to all layers, for example, edge network, VPC, subnet, load balancer, every instance, operating system, and application. Automate security best practices. Automated software-based security mechanisms improve your ability to securely scale more rapidly and cost-effectively. Create secure architectures, including the implementation of controls that are defined and managed as code in version control templates. Protect data in transit and at rest. Classify your data into sensitivity levels, and use mechanisms such as encryption, tokenization, and access control where appropriate. Keep people away from data. Create mechanisms and tools to reduce or eliminate the need for direct access or manual processing of data. This reduces the risk of loss or modification, and human error, when handling sensitive data. Next part will explain reliability pillar and its principles. Thank you. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links.